So here we are wrapping up another project. The 1954 Gretsch 6014 is now back in playing shape. For being my first neck reset, this project went overwhelmingly well. There were a few missteps along the way, but ultimately this is a guitar now that went from having a twisted neck, high action, and then no adjustability at the bridge to having low action with the ability to even have a little bit more adjustment at the bridge. And so this is a very, I think, nicely playing player grade type of arch top. There's a few areas, of course, if you saw the other video, breaking the neck block was not something that I really wanted to do. But I did fix the headstock to really shore that up. And now, like I said, I have a really great playing, really resonant guitar. This is set up as an acoustic guitar with 80-20 bronze strings. Conventionally, you might use something like flat wounds for sort of the jazz era sound. I had this set up as an acoustic guitar, as the action is just slightly higher than it might normally be, but I think it really helps out with the projection of the guitar and how it sounds. As I mentioned on the downsides, when I took the neck off, the 12th fret, or no, that's the 15th fret inlay, got heated up, and since it's celluloid, it actually melted a little bit. And so I used mother of pearl to fill in that dot. You can also see the headstock here has turned orange. This is something I was not expecting. It originally started out as kind of the greened plastic, like the fingerboard inlays. It turned orange over time, which is actually, I think, pretty cool, but it does look a little funky with the white mother of pearl versus the orange. It didn't look as wild when it was kind of the discolored green and white, but I think it adds kind of a cool vintage touch. This is the story of the guitar, and so, taking a 70-year-old guitar and putting it back into playing shape, I think is a pretty cool thing. So I'm gonna do a few sound clips here. I'm actually quite out of practice playing guitar, but hopefully it gives you an idea of what this guitar sounds like in a couple of various styles. And yeah, thanks for watching. This guitar is going to go up on Reverb at some point. If you're interested in something like this, this is, I think, a great playing arch top, or even keeping it as an acoustic. And yeah, I'll see you at the next project. Thanks for watching.